over it, so I was like, oh, maybe it's about time. It's a very sunny day. I feel very American whenever I'm in like Matsumoto. Okay. Because my mom and I, we tend to just end up eating inside the car. And then it makes me think of like those YouTubers where they vlog and they're just like, alright. And then they complain about a lot of things. You know what I mean? Oh!
人気ナンバーワンってあったから食べる？
ちょっと待って。おっとっとっとっと。いいポン。よいしょ。I have some stuff as well. 待ってって言ったじゃん。もうちょっと食べたら？
気になってたのに。
Yeah. Oh. Oishii.
ね。
Chateaureuse is very nice. It's sweet, but it's nice. Damn. Everything's so good here. Oh, this has like a 2-year expiry date. Cheers, everyone. Now it's almost noon. I guess ice cream is my lunch. Ice cream, cake, and mochi. That's what I'm having for lunch. Lunch/breakfast? It looks like a Twinkie? How? It's green. Isn't Twinkie like... Oh, the one earlier, you mean.
これは本当にコーヒー飲みたくなる。
Meh. Oh. A neighbor. Maybe we'll have to find somewhere random for coffee. Don't tell my mom what to do. Who do you think you are, non-subscriber?
行くわよ。
Okay. All right, let's continue with the oh. Road trip. Oh. Oh, true. We can just get it from the konbini. Konbini coffeeにする?
いいね。